Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Williams Furnace Vent Limit Switch, part number 7734. The Williams Furnace Vent Limit Switch, part number 7734, is a safety device designed to shut off the furnace if the vent temperature exceeds a predetermined limit. It is typically installed in the vent pipe of a gas or oil-fired furnace and is wired into the furnace control circuit. The switch will open when the temperature in the vent pipe reaches a preset level, usually around 140 degrees Fahrenheit 60 degrees Celsius. This will cause the furnace to shut down, preventing dangerous conditions such as excessive heat, buildup or carbon monoxide poisoning. The switch can be reset manually AF. This part fixes the following symptoms. The Williams Furnace Vent Limit Switch, part number 7734, is designed to shut off the furnace if the temperature of the vent pipe exceeds a certain limit. This switch helps to prevent overheating and potential fire hazards. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the furnace at the circuit breaker. 2. Remove the existing vent limit switch from the furnace by unscrewing it from its mounting bracket. 3. Install the new Williams Furnace Vent Limit Switch, part number 7734, in its place, making sure that it is securely fastened to the mounting bracket. 4. Connect the wiring to the new switch, following the instructions provided. With it, make sure all connections are secure and properly insulated with electrical tape or other approved insulation material. 5. Turn on the power to the furnace at T. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.